Hello Valpals, welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing a little YesStyle unboxing. So all of these products are under 100 bucks and I think I spent around 86 if I did my math right, but this is my very first order from YesStyle. I am now a YesStyle influencer. I've been trying to find cheaper makeup products that are still high quality and make us look good. So let's get started. So the first product that I added to my order was this Judydoll mascara. So the Judydoll mascara, I got the shade 01, and this packaging is like pretty easy to open, I will say. I usually have my struggles when I open packaging and I usually break everything. This is what it's like. It's got the little Judydoll logo right here, the iron mascara. I know this mascara has been viral lately, and that is one of the reasons why I wanted to try it. It just looks so nice. Like, I'm really curious to see how this is actually gonna work in my makeup. Number one black, and I'm not gonna actually like test it out today because I have other makeup already on, but keep watching my other videos and you'll definitely see this in a makeup tutorial because this looks really nice. I'm really curious to try it and see how it works out. Okay, the next thing in my list to open is, let's go for the Gogo Tails. I believe this should be an eyeshadow palette. I am very excited about this because I got this like blue eyeshadow color and I've really been wanting to remake One Young's Lollapalooza look. So I'm excited about this. Let's get it open. Oh my god. Because first, number one, the packaging is freaking adorable. These two peaches, they're like sparkly. I don't know if you can see that. And then when you open it up, it's so cute. Like, oh my god. And the best part is that it's easy for me to open because I always do these like long nails, and I think you can tell in some of my other videos. Maybe I like crop it out so that you can't tell. So actually maybe never mind. But some products are very hard for me to get open with these long nails to the point where I use the ends of my makeup brushes to pop open products. So this gets a 10 out of 10 because I can open this with ease. And then these colors look absolutely gorgeous. I think I can achieve the One Young look with this, the Lollapalooza look. And honestly, that may be an upcoming video. I mean, it definitely will be. I just don't know if I'll record anything before I do that. But this is gorgeous. And I'm sorry, but this like fading blush color is absolutely stunning. I don't know if I realized it was fading when I ordered this actually, but I've been wanting a fading blush and I'm quite excited about this. I think it'll suit my skin tone well because I definitely have a very cool skin tone. So 10 out of 10. I'm excited to try it. And I am solely rating the packaging and whatnot because we haven't tested these yet, so that'll be in a later video. 2 products down. Let's keep going. I am saving some of the best for last because I do have a flower nose palette. But let's see. Let's do the Joycee blushes. I'm gonna do this shade M219. I think this is the more pinky shade, a lighter pink. Let's do it. I'm gonna be honest, when I was picking these out online, I was a little skeptical of the packaging because I wanted really cute stuff, you know? I'm just a girl, but it didn't look so good online. Like, I'm sorry, this is stunning. This makes me want to 3D model it. I've been 3D modeling makeup products for fun to add to my portfolio. I am a game design student, but I'm literally gonna 3D model this for my next little project. This is gorgeous. I love it. And openability, let's see. It is definitely harder than the Gogo tails, but it is very still doable without me pulling out a makeup brush. So it's gorgeous. So the inside pink, the inside heart is like a little peachy, and the outside pink, it's almost like a wee bit lavender, like very slight lavender accents. And I think maybe they'll cancel each other out a little bit because I am very much a cool tone. And so I'm just hoping this isn't too coral for me. But I think on their chart, so on YesStyle, these makeup brands have these little charts and they tell you where they stand on the cool and warm tone versus like neutral, which makes shopping for products so much easier because I can just, it's easy. I don't have to like question if something's gonna come in and be like a super warm tone. But I just gave the Gogo tails 10 out of 10. This is 11 out of 10. This packaging is so freaking cute. I love this. Also, I didn't rate the Judydoll packaging, but like, I feel like mascara packaging is just very sleek. So I just feel like it compares to every other mascara packaging. It's very sleek, very modern. Let's give it 9 out of 10 for packaging. But this is definitely 11. I love this. I love how the color of the heart is comparable to the shade. Beautiful. I'm literally just gonna put this on my desk and just stare at it. Okay, let's open the next shade. The next shade is M218. I think this one's even more pinky, so let's see. Look at this. This is stunning. It's screaming like a Victorian vibes to me. I love the red. I love it. Openability, it's about the same, if not a little easier than the last one for some reason. But this pink, I'm gonna be real with you right now. I rated the last one 11 out of 10. This one's gonna have to be a 12 because I just like this color better. I just like darker pinks on me. I think for some reason, my skin is very, very pale. And when I'm in any type of bright lighting, I almost feel like a lot of the color on my face just like vanishes. So to keep the color on my face, I almost feel like I have to do very, very dark makeup. And I think this dark pink color would look way better on me than the lighter pink color. But I'm obviously gonna try both and we will see how they turn out. So definitely keep an eye on my future videos because I do want to start doing more makeup tutorials. I've gone through the ringer of my awkward makeup phases and I finally achieved really good makeup. I think it's my time. I think I put in the dirty work. I went through my eyeliner phase, like really bad eyeliner phase. I went through my emo phase. What's up, Paramore? I think I deserve to do some makeup tutorials for y'all based on what I've learned. I am 26. I don't feel like I look 26. And I'm also gonna show you my tricks in future videos. But 12 out of 10, 12 out of 10, mainly because I like the actual blush color more. Out of the two hearts though, if I were to keep one on my desk, I feel like I'd do this one. I like purples more than reds. I know red is supposed to be very seductive. It's giving vampire-y, but I just like my cutesy little pinks and purples. I did a lot of like purple makeup even today. My pink lips, pink blush. 11, 12. So we're gonna open this Novo Toast palette next. It's so friggin' cute. Soft Eyes Toast eyeshadow palette, a little eye catcher. I bought this solely because of the packaging, let's be real. It's a piece of bread. It's cute. Valpals. I can't get over this. Like, it's so simple, but he's so happy. The color is rich and eye-catching. I read that really weird. The color is rich and eye-catching. Okay. Openability. It is super easy to open, I'm gonna be honest. All these products have been so much easier to open than some of my more expensive products, if I'm being honest. It's so cute. It's an egg. Are these strawberries? Am I wrong? 12,000 out of 10. And these are more like mauve, I would say, like mauve-y mixed with some browns. I still feel like they're more on the cool side. Like I still feel like I can pull them off. I know these are really popular. We got the Flower Nose palette. We will see if this palette tops my Lil Baby Toast. But I'm gonna be honest, I really like the toast for the aesthetic, and obviously we haven't actually tried any of these products on, so we'll see. Let's open this. Flower Nose Swan Ballet Series 6-color eyeshadow palette. I do like the whole ballet vibe. Flower Nose is definitely popular for a reason. Look at this baby. Oh my goodness. Okay. Number one, I am like a romance fanatic. In the way they've got the two swans like in love, like craning their necks in a heart towards each other. That already stole my heart right off the bat. Okay, and also just the packaging, it's so detailed. Like there's little ballet slippers up top. Well, they're point shoes. There's also these little dancers around the border. I love this. Okay, Toast did have my heart with a 12,000 out of 10. This definitely has to be 13,000 out of 10 because I really was not expecting this to be so gorgeous. Like, it's easy to open. It's got a magnet to open. Like, it's not hard at all. I really like how they did that, and clearly there's a reason why Flower Nose is a bit more expensive than these other products. So let's talk colors. I really, really like these 4 middle colors. I think those are what I would end up using the most. this almost has like an iridescence to it. I'm not sure that it's something I would really go for, but I mean, it's worth still trying out. I just like, from the looks of it, it's not a color I would typically use in my makeup looks, but it is like a really pretty pink. I feel like if anything, I would probably use this more orange coral one a bit more. And I like how each pan has a different design on it. It's just like the details. The detailing is very, very well done. Like, there's also a quote, "The dream that never ends." Like, this makeup palette is just like inspiring. Like, I would love to just like leave this freaking open and look at it all day. But yeah, this was probably the most expensive item in the purchase. I think this was around $31. But you can tell why. It's the magnetic clasp, it's the attention to detail, the different patterns in the palettes. It's very nice. I love this. We're definitely gonna be using this in a future video. Makeup tutorial. This is gorgeous. Last item I'm just gonna mention, I can't show the unboxing because I'm gonna be honest, the moment I got it, I just opened it because I needed to use them. These. I needed these to use my makeup. If you search for any type of like hairpin on YesStyle, you will find these. They had many different versions, but I really like these to hold my bangs back to do my makeup. But these are really handy, really nice. If you saw my girls' night video with my friend Jean, we also use these. I love the pink ones, but I do tend to wear them based on like what outfit I'm wearing, because even if no one's seeing it, I'm seeing it and it makes me feel good to match. So I like these. Let's look at all the products together unboxed. And again, everything in this set, under $100. I spent around $86. I think this was a good haul. This was my first purchase from YesStyle. And I would say my absolute favorite has to be the flower nose. The cute little toast definitely comes in a close second, but I love this. This is beautiful. So, Valpals, if you enjoyed my little unboxing, definitely give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And I would love to see more Valpals join me on my little beauty journey. Thank you.